So we got a little broken bumper. This isn't really a Sprinter, but you know, sometimes a dad does what a dad does. And we're gonna fix this. There's a plastic stapler available. I've seen YouTube videos on, but I don't have that, and I want to do this today, so we found another way. Made a couple of test fires here with some paper clips, and that's working really well. So I'm gonna show you how we did that. We're gonna do it a little bit better with some bent up paper clips and lay it down in the crack there to really bring that crack together right. Scuffed it all up first with some sandpaper so we can put some glue over it later.
Together then.
We're gonna pull it together.
Oh, very good.
And then staple it.
All right.
And I think, let's take a look at this other side. I think I might break these loose since we know what we're doing now. Might break it loose and start over.
Oh, shit.
Recording? Okay, I want to see how difficult they are to pull out. Yeah, that's in there pretty good. Not gonna lie, that was in there really good. Yeah. There it is, right there.
Okay, let's go.
Might wise to kind of soften that up a little bit. And work this over that way. There we go. Wow, that really got hot fast.
Real hot, real hot.
Alright, let's see how that cools.
Where are you going?
There's a lot.
So we cleaned the crack here with alcohol and a little bit of sandpaper just to get the rough edges off so the tape will stick nice. And all this tape is going to do is make sure that my JB Weld doesn't ooze out and make bumps on the front. Going to make a nice flat line there between filling the crack. A little more packing tape. Run down this crack. Alright, that'll come off later. Nice shit, buddy. Nice shit, buddy. Nice shit, buddy. Let's ring tool. Really trying to work it down into the crack there wherever I can.
like our content here at Florida Bandman, you can support us by liking, commenting, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. In the description box of all of our videos, we also have links to our favorite products, as well as links so that you can get your very own Florida Bandman merch. Your support keeps our vans rolling.
Okay. Okay, I'll come around this side and, well, yeah, from right here you can see what I'm doing. I'll put this Band-Aid over this big crack. Oops. Can you see this big crack? Just put that over it, like so. And now leave that till tomorrow. So it's had a few hours to dry now. Oh, nuts. That didn't peel right. Yeah, this packing tape is shitty. Now we got to produce an edge there. Could be better over here. I think it'll hold up. Got the staples in there still, the paper clips. And over here where the plastic Band-Aid went, it's nicely structural now. Put back together. Up here too. Oh, looks like another spot I should have hit right there. Yeah, might mix up a little bit more JV weld and fill that hole in that crack. Yeah, maybe that's not a crack. That's just the edge of the JV weld. Or it was more on the plastic bag and not so much on the plastic bumper. But on the front side here, it actually looks pretty good. It'll do. So we got it all put back together. It's nice and strong, which it definitely wasn't before. It had to be tied up with zip ties, or not, and bungee cords before. Not perfect. A little bit of touch-up paint would do wonders. And I've got a little bit of glue left down there.